Hey everybody, it's Mark here with my squad from PRD in Tamworth. Collectively, we're about to start a movement to get as much aid as we can to Lismore directly from Tamworth. We're using the hashtag from Tamworth with love. If you have anything you can part with, any food, non-perishable items, any clothes, furniture, you name it, nappies, etc. Please have them dropped off at the PRD Tamworth office during work hours. We'll have a place for it all to be stored. We're in conversations with a few local logistics companies to get it from Tamworth to Lismore. We need to do this together, guys. What's happening on the news is absolutely horrific. All for one for all is one of the values of the business, and we're going to implement that across the whole town. I know there's plenty of people in Tamworth feeling very helpless right now. This is how you can help. Drop the food off, drop everything you have that you can part with, and we'll get it to Lismore directly to the people that are affected. The directly affected people are the ones that we need to think about right now. So let's all get together and make it happen. Thanks, Tamworth.